Sawadee ka. Hi guys, my name is Mendy and welcome to ShitMendyCooks kitchen. Today I'm going to show you my favorite Thai salad called mango salad with shrimp paste and crispy fish. Today I'm going to show you a shortcut way and a quick way and a delicious way. Let's get started.
Hi guys, it is Napa here and I will walk you through the steps of how to make the dish. First we have green mangoes, and then shrimp paste, coconut sugar, chili powder, dried shrimp, shallots, and lastly small crispy fish. We will start with preparing the mango. So first you want to peel off the mango skin. Once you are done, we're gonna chop the mango into smaller pieces and slice them into small, thin lines. Right now we are done with the mango. We're gonna slice the shallots next. To slice the shallots is very easy. You just need to slice them into thin pieces, about 1 millimeter thick. Once you are done, you can set it aside.
Don't forget to ปักตะไคร้สับตะไคร้ Just kidding. Don't forget to subscribe our channel.
To begin with, we're gonna pound dry shrimp. You just need to roughly pound it. About this much. Once that's done, you can add shrimp paste, coconut sugar, and use the pestle to pound all of the ingredients together. Add 1 tablespoon of water, you can use a spoon to mix the next ingredients, and it is chili powder. Stir well, and then add shallots, and then next add mango. Gently mix all of the ingredients together. Lastly, we're gonna garnish our mango salad with crispy fish. And then we are done. Our mango salad is ready to be served.
I hope this video is helpful for you. If you like, please like and share to your friend. And don't forget to subscribe our channel. ring the bell so you don't miss the fun contents. And I hope to see you on the next video. Bye!